House will disturb the whole class. Kindly switch mute your system. Now let us start. Spring balance. I told you spring balance is the instrument used to measure the force. All of you mute. When I ask somebody, only that person should unmute. Mute yourself. See who's not muting.
Somsati Rutvika, ma'am.
Rutvika, please mute your system, and you also mute. Everyone mute and don't disturb the class. Now, spring balance is an instrument used to measure the force. How does the spring balance looks like? It is made up of a coiled spring. It is made up of a coiled spring, and this spring, the force is measured by stretching of the spring. When you stretch it, the force will be measured. How it will measure? There will be a pointer fixed here. The pointer is fixed on the graduated scale. The scale will be graduated, measured 0 Newton, 5 Newton, 3, like that it will be measured. So the readings, the readings on the scale gives the magnitude of the reading gives the magnitude of the force. These are the 4 points which you have to write it under spring balance. Okay, so using the spring balance
Yes,
we can
ma'am.
measure the weight of the object. Okay, now let us go to the effect of types of friction. We already studied two types. Which are the two types we studied already?
Static friction, sliding
Static
friction.
friction, sliding friction.
Very good. Static friction is which when the object
S-
is at rest. When the object is
st-
at
st-
rest. Sliding friction, when it is roll on the
s-
other, we get a sliding friction. Third one is
yes,
rolling
ma'am.
friction, children. Rolling friction. So that is to understand the rolling friction only. I told you activity you can go in your textbook like 3 pencils. If you keep and you move the book, it is easy. So how the rolling friction is very nice. So it is whenever it is coming into the force, rolling friction will come in the third. It is easy to find. It is reduced friction, very small friction. Rolling friction is very small. Sliding friction is greater than the rolling friction, and static friction is greater than the sliding friction. So it is like this. Okay, you know the symbol greater than, less than in mathematics. So that symbol you remember.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
rolling friction is very simple, small friction. Remember that smallest friction. Now go to the effect of friction. Effect of friction. What happened when you have friction? It produces the heat. See now, you all rub your hands and see you will feel warm. Suppose you feel cold also, your parents will tell rub your hands when you are in a cold place. You remember, suppose you're going to Kashmir or Ooty, somewhere in cold place. What happened? It will be so hot, you will feel cold. So what you will do? You will rub your hands. So what happened? There is a friction takes place, and your palms will give you hot. Now all of you rub and see. You are feeling warm in your palms. Just check it.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes, you are feeling warm. That is only effect of friction. So which are the effect of friction? What is the effect of friction?
Feeling
Feeling warmer. Production of heat.
Eat.
Production of
Produces.
heat is the effect of friction. Second one, wear and tear. That means, see, suppose when you buy a slipper, new slipper, you can see the print on the slipper. The grooves which will be there in the slipper will be lines, boots and all you saw. You keep using it, that will become flattened. Your slipper will become flattened. That is the time you should change the slipper. That inside the grooves and all will not be there. That is to increase the friction it's given, because if there is no friction you cannot walk. Okay, so we need friction to walk. But when it is you keep on using again and again, in your slipper you have grooves like this, that and all will become flattened. So what will happen? You will slip and fall. That is the time you have to buy another shoes, other slippers. Okay, then third one is opposing the motion. So the effect of friction is it opposes means always going against, opposes the motion. It opposes the motion. It is always going against the motion, so that you need to put more energy. See, for example, our government you take, we have a ruling government. So we have one more government you call, what you know, what is that? Opposing government is called what?
Opposition party.
Very
Opposition
good.
party.
Opposition party. Why we
Opposition
keep?
party.
Yeah. Why we keep opposition party? We need opposition party to tell to go against whatever they say. Yeah. To see whatever the ruling party says, this opposition will tell it is wrong. It is wrong like that. Okay. So and sometimes if it is really wrong, they will really tell, and because of them they get scared and they will do the work like that. That opposition motion is important, but always there. This is okay. So these are the three effects of friction. Now go to application. Application, there are advantage. I told you already. Friction is a necessary. Friction is a necessary. What?
Yes, ma'am.
Evil. Evil. Friction is a necessary
Evil.
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 Evil. Devil. Is it a devil?
No, ma'am.
It will be there with us. One angel and one devil will be with you always. It is your wisdom to know which you should opt for. Correct? No? So here application of friction. Without friction, you can't walk, children. You can't write on the board. See, this board is also slide. There will be a friction will be there in the between the surface of the force. Otherwise, we can't write pen and paper. We can't write anywhere. There will be a little amount of friction will be available. Why they created whiteboard? In this whiteboard, friction will be there. If you go detail, no, that see here, see like these lines are given, no, like that some friction, very minute friction will be there. Without that we can't write. So application, when you write, you can write many application. One is we can write on the paper, we can walk on the road. Without a friction you can't walk. Matchstick, you see matchstick, phosphorus will be there in matchsticks.
Yes, ma'am.
In matchstick which chemical will be used? Phosphorus. PHO. What is phosphorus spelling?
PHOPROS.
PHOPROSE.
There is a chemical called phosphorus. Okay, we in a symbol we'll write only P. That phosphorus will be there, and when you have a matchstick, when there is a friction takes place with the matchstick and the matchbox, the friction between matchstick and the matchbox will give you a heat. That will
Fire.
burn. Fire. So very important. All these are application of the friction. Now disadvantage. What will be the disadvantage? Can anybody guess?
Disadvantage.
Yes, Sohan.
More. Ma'am, without friction, we will not be able to walk, ma'am.
Very good. We will not able to walk at
Without,
all.
without friction, we can't write on the notebook.
You are writing. We cannot write. Don't write same thing. You will write it off in disadvantage. Something different you tell. Advantage only we wrote those points. Disadvantage.
Ma'am, if there is no friction, we will be flying here and there, ma'am.
Yeah. You will go bring the virus home, no? So you should not go home. You should be inside the house. Stay home. Stay safe.
Okay, ma'am.
Sivaja. Sivaja.
Train will not.
Friction is not there. We could not sleep or we could not.
You should be standard. You are studying 8th standard, not 6th standard.
Ma'am, without friction, we can't do any work, ma'am.
Okay. More energy is needed. There will be
Ma'am,
disadvantage.
because friction can't
Listen, more
cycle,
energy
ma'am.
is needed. Vehicles will not move. You need more energy, more fuel. Because friction, the road is very bad. You will go slowly and you have to take long time and you have to give more effort. Did you see in while riding cycle? If the road is very bad, what happens? Smooth. If it is a smooth, it is easy for you. If it is
Yes,
hard
ma'am.
surface, when you ride a
It
cycle,
will be
what will
tough,
happen?
ma'am.
You need to
It will
apply
be tough,
more
ma'am.
force. You need to apply more
We should
energy.
put more force, ma'am.
Yeah, that is the disadvantage. You need to apply more energy. Second one, when you go, second one is machines get heated up. In machines and all, people who work in machines, engineers, people diploma and all who studied and you are working in machines, if you ask them, they will say, even if you go to mechanic shops and check it out, the machines will become heated up and the parts will be what happened to the parts because of the heating up, the parts will be burnt out. So this all is a disadvantage for us. Okay, so wear
Yes,
and
ma'am.
tear takes place. Wear and tear takes place in the machines also, not only in the shoes, slippers. Okay, so all these are disadvantage. So when we go about friction. So the reason for the friction is the surface. If the surface is hard, and here also hard surface, so due to that the friction will be increasing more. So to reduce the friction, what all we have to do?
To reduce the friction, we should.
To reduce the friction, what we can do? In
We
in
could
uh,
should have smooth
in cycle,
surfaces.
what you are putting a suppose
We
suppose
should
your cycle
pedal,
is not
ma'am. We should
huh?
put brake,
Pedal.
ma'am.
Brake.
Pedal.
Okay.
We should apply
Oil,
brake,
very
ma'am.
good. Who said oil?
Petrol or ma'am.
Petrol are good. Oil, grease and all they will use, children. See, for example, carom board. You take carom board. Did you play carom board at home? How many of you are playing now?
Yes, ma'am.
Now during lockdown you can easily play. Yeah, very good. All of you are playing carom board. You know, you are using on carom board powder, that rolling powder, small.
Yes,
It will
ma'am.
be nice.
Yes,
It
ma'am.
is not like our powder.
Yes, ma'am.
You put a carom board powder, it will go smoothly very fast. Why? Because it is reducing the friction. The friction between the coin, striker, you call it as striker, and the surface. You put powder and then you play. It will striker will go to the pocket very fast. Correct? No?
Yes,
Yes, sir. So applying oil, powder,
yes, ma'am.
powder also will reduce. Okay, applying oil, powder, all this will reduce by polishing. Big machines and everything. If you polish the things which is painted. If you paint it and polishing, that will also. Otherwise, the friction, because of the friction between the air, rust also will be formed. So polishing will reduce the friction. And sometimes the conductors like graphite is used in the electric sockets to reduce the friction. And very important is steam lining. Now before going to steam lining, this oil, grease, powder, steam lining and all will come. Before we going to the steam lining, let us complete fluid friction. What is this fluid friction? The friction exerted by the fluid. Fluid means what? Fluid means gas also will come in this, liquid also will come in. Liquid and gas. Fluid means what? Liquid and gas together. So there are three states of
Liquid.
matter: solid, liquid, gas. You know, no. In that, liquid
Yes,
and
ma'am.
gas together called as fluid.
Fluid.
Liquid and gases are together called as fluid. Okay.
Fluid.
Fluid. A fluid. Fluid or fluid.
Yes, ma'am.
Am I pronouncing it
Fluid.
right?
Fluid, ma'am.
Fluid
Fluid.
only. Okay,
Fluid.
correct. I am pronouncing it correctly.
Fluid.
Fluid friction. Okay, in the fluid friction only is otherwise called as a drag. The fluid friction is otherwise called as drag. Okay.
Drag.
Now, this is the friction caused by the fluids. Okay. This based on the depends on the speed and the speed with respect to the fluid. How fast it is speed? It is depends upon the speed. It depends upon the shape and nature of the object. That is why, see, in the air, rocket has to go. You know how the aeroplane is made? By seeing the birds. Did you see the birds? Body God has made. There is one nice song. Yeah,
Yes,
there
ma'am.
is one song is there in old song. Seeing the bird, man-made aeroplane. Seeing the fish, man-made boat.
Summer.
Correct. Submarines. Seeing the ship, seeing the
Submarine.
submarine. So man has made all these things by seeing the nature only. God only created beautiful things. He used his wisdom to those things to find out the missions. Okay. Now in rocket, in rocket it will be like the steam lining. This is called steam lining. In rocket you have a shape like this, a
Yes, ma'am.
conical shape, sharp. Why
Yes,
this
ma'am.
shape is given?
Ma'am, because the force when
Because
it is applied from the down, it will go straightly, ma'am.
Yeah, but why it can be like this? No, nicely, beautifully made like this. No, rocket can be made like
In
this.
order to tear the air, ma'am.
In order to tear the air, very good. There should be in order to
in
increase the
order to
friction.
tear the air,
That means it will tear and wear. It will just move, cut and it will go. So the friction, it is increasing the friction. The steam lining is increasing the friction. Steam lining of a body of an object. What happened? It is
increasing the
reduced.
friction.
Reduce the friction. It will reduce the
Yes,
friction
ma'am.
and it will go. Okay, streamlining the body of the object reduces the friction. That is why even the fish will be like this, right? Fish will be like this. So fish body also you see in the front part, how it will look? It will look like this.
Yes, ma'am.
It will look like this. So why it is
Yes, ma'am.
looking like this?
Yes, ma'am.
Because of the steam lining. Okay, like this
Yes,
you
ma'am.
should learn. Okay, remember the friction lesson is very easy and easy to
Okay, ma'am.
learn and easy to
Understand.
write, because everything come under application, children. So you need to do the homework. Homework is blue book, two questions. One is spring balance. Another one is another one is another one is what? Activity. Activity on the pencil.
Activity.
Which page number,
Yes,
ma?
ma'am.
Which
Ma'am,
page
notes
number?
sir.
Can anybody say page number? Page number for the
152, ma'am. Ma'am, page number 147, 147 and 148, ma'am.
Page number 148,
147,
ma'am.
that pencil. And spring balance, which
Yes,
page
ma'am.
number? Spring balance, which page number?
147, ma'am.
147, ma'am.
147.
147, ma'am.
Both
Yes, ma'am.
147 only.
147.
Okay, I don't have book here, ma. Please note down. Your homework first one is activity with the pencil. Second one, your spring balance, and then third homework in your exercise. In your exercise, you do fill in the blanks. First main, second main. At the end of the lesson, you have exercise. Just 4 questions you do. From 5th, we will discuss next physics period. Okay? And Saturday, you have first lesson test. That is
Yes,
self-evaluation
ma'am.
test. Self-evaluation test. Okay? How this